What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the JRD Motorsports vlog. It is go home day. When we originally started working on this thing and brought it over to Rick's and this shop and everything, we said we would hopefully want to get it home before the Daytona 500. And it is Daytona 500 day, and we're going to pull in the driveway about 3 hours before the green flag. So it's home before the 500. The car looks just phenomenal. We still got some stuff to do, but it's close enough now that we feel we can go home and get it wrapped and finish it up. We got about a month and a half until we feel we got to be ready to go. April 1 is kind of our deadline to have it race ready. So we're close, and now we can go home and putter away and get it back into our JRD Motorsports shop. I gotta put a huge thank you to Rick. I know Rick, he just had to go to a fire call, but huge thank you to Rick and everyone that's helped get it looking like this. I mean, it doesn't even look like the same car. There's so much different with it. It's basically a brand new car without the break-in and learning period. Kind of, I guess, fair to say. So that's enough of me babbling. What do you guys say? Let's get her home. Everything's in different spots. I'm looking for the back. Look at this. Hey, don't look at his ugly bug. There's a race car in the shop again. Home safe and sound. And now we're going through our scrap metal to see if we can afford some gas. Look at this. Holy, I'm hard on equipment. I don't even know. Do you get a lot from scrap metal? I've never taken scrap before, as you can tell. Do you get a lot from... Have you ever taken scrap?
All the I haven't done it for a long time.
Alright, well, let's we'll show them the car. Not me. Nobody wants to look at me.
You're struggling there pretty hard.
That's a lot more scrap than I thought we had. Thanks for helping me sort that. I don't know. What do you think? Does anybody know how much scrap is worth? Comment and let me know. I don't know how much scrap is worth. Clearly we haven't done a scrap run. But we got like 15, 16 rotors back there, 3 smashed rads, a whole bunch of bars, bins of aluminum. That's a big box of aluminum. I don't know. I have no idea how much it's worth, so it's going to be a little bit before we take it. But if you can let me know ahead of time what you think this is worth, that'd be awesome. Maybe we can buy a night's worth of fuel or something for the race car. I don't know, but that's a lot of scrap. Subject change, 180 degrees here. Have you seen our paint scheme yet? We released it a couple days ago, right? Wasn't that long ago? All the days blur together now. But Thursday? I don't know. I don't even know what day it is. Sunday, Daytona 500 day. Here's our paint scheme. And let us know what you think. Comment below what you think. I think this is our best looking car we've ever had. I know we say it every year, but this year usually we make our paint schemes fairly simple because we do it ourselves. And last year some people got mad at me because I had never heard of cut tape before. So this year we're going to use the cut tape, and we made a little bit more of a complicated paint scheme and
made the numbers bigger.
Made the numbers bigger. Yes. Okay. The numbers last year on the car were stupid small. I understand, but it was not on purpose. I measured wrong. I don't know what I did, but then we put them on the car, and I'm like, okay, well, sure enough, we'll rub these off one night, and we'll replace them with the right size numbers. But I'll be damned, we didn't wreck a number. And we went the whole year with those tiny little numbers. So we will print them proper size this year. We will have full size numbers. It won't look like a European NASCAR or those. They have small numbers, don't they? NASCAR Mexico Series, I think they have small numbers too. But anyways, the numbers will be big. And yeah, that's pretty much about it. So let me know. I don't know. Maybe that's $100 of the scrap. Maybe that's I don't know. Let me know. Well, I don't know if today was a great vlog or not, but thank you for watching. The car is back here in the shop, and she's purty. Got a few more things to do. We'll be back to our full-time vlogs and stuff. I think we did pretty good this winter, but we'll be back to our full-time vlogs now. And still got lots of stuff to do on the car. We've got quite the list of stuff to get done up there, but thank you for tuning in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for us. We really appreciate it. We're just about to 600. Maybe by the time this gets posted, we'll be at 600, but we really appreciate everyone clicking that subscribe button for us. That's it. We'll see everybody next time. I'm sure we'll be out here in the next couple of days getting this number 28 Super Stock ready to go for Delaware Speedway's opening night.